morning to my dear students. Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. We are in the third chapter of our civics book, which is all about the state government, how the state government works, isn't it? In our previous class, we have discussed how the government works and also about the platform through which we can question the government, the press, isn't it? Newspaper, the news channels, isn't it? So I hope you were clear with that part, and we have also recapitulated in our previous class. I hope you remember about how government works. But if you have any queries, you can ask me. Now we are towards the end of this chapter. Our last topic is all about our wallpaper project. Now, what do you mean by wallpaper project? Actually, wallpaper project is an interesting activity. Through this activity, you can do research work. You can find out many information on a particular topic of your interest. So you can decide topic. Okay, you can do the research work, you can gather information about a particular topic, okay, whatever topic you want to take, okay. So this whole thing, this whole interesting activity is termed as wallpaper project. Okay, now some photographs are given in your book. Through these photographs, they had tried to justify the whole term, okay, how this wallpaper project has done, okay, and how this whole procedure of wallpaper project, okay, is done, okay, about that. Now basically two photographs you can see on the screen. Now let me discuss what these two photographs explains us about. So after introducing the topic and having a brief discussion with the whole class, the teacher divides the class into groups. So what the teacher has done? She has divided the class into groups. The group discussion take place after that, and the group discuss about the issues and they decide what they will take. Okay, they decide what topic they will take. So in this way, the whole wallpaper project discussion goes on. Okay, this is the procedure of wallpaper project. Now these children, okay, they had worked very hard. Children actually in wallpaper project, they work individually or they work in a group. What they do, they used to collect material. Okay, from where they used to collect material? They used to collect material from stories, you can see, from poems, okay, by doing case studies, by looking at the interviews, okay. So this were some of the source from where in a particular wallpaper project you can collect materials or gather information, okay. So what you have to remember, wallpaper project is an interesting activity through which children try to gather information about particular topic, the topic in which they are interested. After that, we have seen that in picture, through the picture in your chapter, they have tried to explain that the teacher divides the class into groups, and the group discuss about the issues, okay, about the topics which they will take. So each and every group take a particular topic, then the children, they gather information. Now how they will gather information? It could be done by individually or in a group, okay, it could be done individually or in a group. Then they gather information, okay, they observe certain things, okay, from the experiences also they gather information, okay, they gather information through stories, poems, okay, case studies, they go through the case study, they read the experiences, okay, and they gather information, they just watch the interviews, okay, and from there also they can gather information. So this is the procedure, okay, to gather information for a particular topic in wallpaper project. Now the group looks at the material that they have selected. So you can see now the group, they are looking at the material which they had selected. They read each other writing and provide feedback to each other. They make decisions on what should be included and finalize the layout for the wallpaper. After gathering the information, after gathering the materials, what they used to do, they used to look, okay, what who has done what thing, okay, who has done what thing, and whatever information they had collected, they used to analyze all this thing, okay, what information they had collected, and they used to give each other feedback, what to keep, what not to keep, okay, and like that the whole project layout is taken out, okay, is taken like that. You can say a whole project layout is finalized, okay. Now each group then presents the wallpaper to the entire class. So you can see now with the teacher, the students, okay, the group actually presenting the wallpapers, isn't it? So in this way each group, okay, they used to present wallpaper to the entire class. It is important that more than one member of the group is asked to present, and that each group is allotted the same amount of time in discussing their work. After each group have presented, it would be a good idea to have a feedback session on the following. What more could they do on their own? How could their work be organized better? How could writing and presentation be improved upon? So these are some of the feedbacks which were taken from the students. So what happened, each and every group, they present their particular project in front of the class, okay, and one group member, okay, among the group, he or she explains about the project, and after that feedback is taken from the students, okay. Students used to give feedback, okay, that how could writing and presentation could be more better, okay, what more they could have included in their project, okay, so how it could be organized and how in a better way it could be organized. These are some of the feedbacks which were taken from the students. So that is all about the wallpaper project. Due to this pandemic, due to COVID-19, we were doing this thing now, virtual platform we are using. But if we get any time, okay, if this thing, okay, the situation get stable, then we can do one wallpaper project, isn't it, in our class? It will be fun. So I hope you have understood about wallpaper project. Wallpaper project is basically an interesting activity through which students, okay, they actually gather information about particular topics, the topics which they want to do, okay. So in that topic they used to gather information, and they gather information from books, okay, from poems, from you can say from case studies, from interviews, okay. From there they used to gather information. After gathering the information could be gathered individually or in group, okay. So after gathering the information, what the children used to do, what the students used to do, they used to sit together, they used to discuss, okay, what to include in their project, what to exclude, okay, from their project. That thing happened, and in this way they finalize the whole layout of the project, and they make their own project. After that they present their project in front of the class, and one person speaks about the whole project, explains about the whole project to the class. Then at last a feedback is taken from the student that what were could they do on their own, okay, how could their work be organized better, in a better manner, how could writing and presentation be improved upon. So these are some of the feedback which were taken from the students. So this is a class activity, okay, an interesting class activity actually. So bye bye. I hope you were clear with wallpaper project. See you in our next class.